Hello friends, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic environment and health, that is water pollution from health education and community pharmacy. The topics to be covered in our today's session are as follows: water pollution, types of water pollution, different causes of water pollution, effects of water pollution on environment, humans and animals. So let's see first of all about water pollution. Water pollution occurs when energy and the other material are released into the water that are contaminating the quality of it for other users. There are total 4 types of water pollution. In that, first one is a surface water pollution, found on the exterior of the earth's crust, oceans, rivers and lakes. Second, that is groundwater pollution, found in soil or under rock structure or aquifers. Then third type is a microbiological pollution, microorganisms that thrives on water and fishes that can cause illness to land animals and humans. Fourth one is oxygen depletion pollution, microorganisms that in water and which are feeds on a biodegradable substances. Let's see in detail about different causes of water pollution, that is marine dumping, then industrial waste, sewage mainly from households. Let's see in picture. Second, next cause are nuclear waste, oil pollution, underground storage leaks. Then effects on environment, that is first of all let's see the toxic water. See in the figure how that toxic water is going to damage our environment. Then thermal heating, our sources of water. If our sources of water, that is surface water or groundwater, as we seen in our previous topic, the sources of water which are groundwater and surface water, if these sources of water are contaminated, then that water must be going to affect on environment also, which will damage or degrade our environment too. Then effects on humans, disease caused by that polluted water, drinking contaminated water. If the drinking water is contaminated, so we are knowing about the number of diseases which mostly arises during the rainy season, that are dysentery, diarrhea. As we know, the water will be providing the favorable media for growing of number of microorganisms. So if that water is contaminated with pathogens or any other contamination or impurities, then that will definitely affect on the health of human beings, and it will lead to the such diseases such as dysentery, diarrhea, number of infections, bacterial infections. Then swimming in polluted water. If anyone can do the swimming in the polluted water, then that will be harmful to that person. It may causes the skin rashes or any allergy to that person. Then contact with chemically polluted water. If that water is chemically polluted, then also it will be definitely harmful for the human beings. Then next, effects on animals. 200 turtles in Australia's surround waters die each year. So let's see, Australia surrounding water, as that water is a polluted one, so near about 200 turtles will die in each year. The birds and mammals become coated with oil. If the water is contaminated with number of chemicals and all the oils and all the contaminated material. So if that water is contaminated, then definitely the birds and mammals become coated with oil of that contaminated water. So the environment and health, water pollution, the learning outcomes are water pollution, then the types of water pollution, then the different causes of water pollution, and the effects of water pollution on environment, humans and animals.